Kanaki? Ladybug. Ladybug. Imani, next page there. Lemnya. Kangaroo there. Imako. Kangaroo there. Kanaki. Lemnya Imako. Kana mama ngarapać? Kamera ngarapać. Nie był. Ant there. Kanaki był ant. This is ant. Next page. What's that? That's a pig. What color is the pig, Imani? Yes. Where is the piggy's nose, Imani? Yes. What about eyes? Yes. What about ears?
Mama.
There you go. What about tummy? Imani, Aisha? Imako, Kanaki piggy's belly. Yes, there you go. What about this animal, Iman? Blimnya. Nyal. Bear, Blimnya date. Next page, Imani. Blimnya. Huh? Giraffe? It's a bear, baby. It's a bear. Yeah. Blimnya date, Imako. Look at mommy. Bu çimnya bu? Blimnya. Does this look like a dog? Yeah, that's a mole. Yes, mole, Imani. Next page. What about this animal? Yeah, it's a bird. It's a bird. What does bird do, Imani? Yes, what does it do? Does it swim?
No.
What?
Does it fly?
Yeah, it flies because how does it fly? Yes, it flies very high up in the sky, but how does it fly? Does it fly with his legs?
No.
Wings, yes, they have wings. Imani, Blimnya Imako, what is this?
Nemo.
What is this? That's a snail, Imani. Yeah? Snail is very slow animal. What about this?
Tail.
Look at mommy, Imani. What does it do?
Moo.
Moo! Moo! Imani. Moo! What about this animal, Iman?
Chicken.
That's a peacock. Yeah. What about this animal?
Sheep.
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 Sheep says what? Sheep says what, Imani? Imani. What does it say, Aishka? Iman.
Sheep.
Yeah, sheep says that sheep.
Bah.
Bah! How about this right there?
Elephant.
Elephant! She has it. Can you please? Thank you. Good job, Imani. Next page. What's that?
Duck. Wolf.
Yes, doggy says what?
Wolf.
What's that? What is it?
Duck.
Jeff. Jeff.
Duck.
Jeff. What about this animal right here?
Knife.
Yeah, but what animal is that? Horse does what, Imani?
Mama.
Oh,
Look at my garden.
this is beautiful, Aisha. Tell me a little bit more about your garden. What do you have in your garden, Aisha?
Flowers.
Yes, I see lots of flowers, Aisha. What color are your flowers? Yellow or yellow?
No,
Aisha, yellow.
pink.
Imani, yellow. Imani, Aisha, yellow.
Wiping my mother.
You're wiping the monster germs out of your eyes? Okay. Do you have lots of monster germs there? Okay. All done? Okay. Tell me. What? All done? Okay.
Okay, let's tell the truth.
What is it, Imani?
Mama, let's play.
Tatapa.
Mama,
Oh.
let's
Ah!
play this. Girls, where are you, boy?
What happened?
Aisha.
What did Aisha do? Okay. Come on, let's open. Okay. How about this, Imani? Come on. It's agami. It's not agami, Aisha. Imani's little cute purse. It looks like a gummy bear.